All right, so if you got the problem where your rear fans are working through if you can use your control module, and your defrost is working, but your main fan is not turning on. It'll show it on your register, and you can go up and down and everything, but it won't turn on. I was down here in Texas this last week when we had the big freeze, and the whole time, no heat coming forward. I had to use my defrost only. I could not figure out what it is until finally got a chance, because it's icy out. I had to go to the store a few times. But I finally got a chance to go out, and I noticed my one corner of my hood was kind of flopping up and down a little bit on the highway. So every now and then I hit, my foot catches the latch just enough to release one side. Not enough to let the sensor go, hey, the hood's fully open. But it turns out, I did some playing around. If your hood is slightly open and your ECU or your foot module, whatever it is, detects it, your front blowers won't work. So if you have the problem where your front blowers aren't working, here, unlock the car for the wife, but your defroster's working and you can turn on your rear blowers using your control function, then try closing your hood all the way. I know it sounds dumb, but it's a quick try before you go off and start spending money on blower resistors or taking to the shop or dumb stuff like that. So here's a quick little, hey, let me try this. You never know. All right, got any questions, comments, or concerns? As usual, leave it down in the comment section.